We're trying to figure out how many finance members were at the beginning of the year. We have 2 time periods, the beginning of the year and the end of the year. And finance and planning, they both have end members. So it says in the wording, at the end of the year, 5 members left the finance committee. So finance starts out with N. It's going to be N minus 5 at the end. And 3 members left the planning. So planning will be N minus 3. And this is at the end. How many members does the finance committee have at the beginning? All right, look at 1. The ratio of the total number of members. Well, how many total number of members do we have? We have N finance and N planning. So I've got N plus N or 2N. The ratio of a total number of members who left at the end of the year, we have a total number of members that left 8, to the total number of members at the beginning, so that's going to be 2N, is 1 to 6. So that's 2, I'm cross multiplying because you got a fraction equal fraction. I've got 2N equal 48. Stop right there, save some time. It's going to give you N equals 24. So that tells you how many members did the finance committee have at the beginning. Well, that's actually how many the planning had as well, but whatever. So 1 works. 2 says at the end of the year, so we're looking at these, 21 members remained on the planning committee. So that means planning, you're going to use this bottom equation, and that would be 21 equal N minus 3. Solve for N, and you've got the number at the beginning of the year for the finance and the planning. So the answer is D, both work independently.